Hello student, please subscribe my channel. Here we discuss electrochemistry MCQ with explanation. Okay, now see, arrange the following electrodes. Which one is having zero electrode potential? Calomel electrode, glass electrode, gas electrode, or standard hydrogen electrode. I selected D, that is C, standard hydrogen electrode. It is assigned as zero electrode potential. So what is it? C, standard hydrogen electrode. Calomel electrode, that is SCE, standard calomel electrode, is having electrode potential approximately plus 0.244 volt at 25 degree C. And here we will see with reference to always C, glass potential is ranges from 0.5 volt to 0.6 volt depending on the type of the glass. So what is the correct option? D is correct option. Now which is correct expression for electrode potential of a cell? E is equal to E naught cell minus RT NF ln log base n molar concentration of product by molar concentration of reactant, ratio of molar concentration of product and reactant. Now E is equal to E naught minus RTF log of ratio of molar concentration of product and reactant. So this option is correct. Okay, now E is equal to E naught minus RT NF ln Q. This option is also correct. Why this is so? Because Q is the ratio of product upon reactant, molar concentration of product upon reactant. So A and C are correct. So option D is correct. E cell is equal to cell potential under normal standard condition, normal condition, non-standard. Okay, non-standard. But E naught cell, it is in cell potential at standard condition, 298 Kelvin temperature, 1 atmospheric pressure, and molar concentration of the electrolyte will be 1 m concentration, and n is the number of electrons. Number of electrons, E, this is E, okay, number of electrons transferred in the balanced redox reaction. That is why I am writing E, that is better. Number of electrons transferred in balanced redox reaction. And R is the universal gas constant, and in the calculation we are using value 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole. And F is the Faraday constant. It is a constant value 96500 coulomb approximately. Otherwise it is 96485. And again it is more. So this is the actual value, but for calculation 96500 coulomb is considered to be 1 Faraday. Now ln is the natural logarithm, and this will be equal to 2.303 log base 10. Always we are watching log table on the basis of log base 10. So to convert natural logarithm into log base 10, Q is the reaction constant at that time. The